Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Confirm the remote uses an IR LED or visible LED and a 3V battery type. Remove the battery and test its voltage with a multimeter set to the 20 VDC range. If voltage reads under 2.5V, replace the battery immediately to rule out power issues. Inspect battery contacts for corrosion or green residue and clean with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Look for cracked plastic, loose clips, or a shifted PCB that could break the LED connection. Open the remote using appropriate screwdrivers and keep screws organized in order. Remove the PCB gently and inspect both sides under good light for broken traces. Test continuity across the LED pads with the multimeter on diode mode to verify the LED or trace is intact. Note component values such as a 220 ohm resistor and the 3V supply rails before desoldering anything. Take a clear photo for reassembly reference and identify damaged parts like cracked solder joints. Desolder the damaged LED and install a replacement 5mm LED rated 3V with correct polarity. Use a 30W soldering iron and thin solder to reflow joints and avoid overheating nearby components. If the circuit uses a series resistor, install a 220 ohm resistor to limit current based on a 3V supply. After soldering, clean flux with isopropyl alcohol and a small brush for reliable contacts. Test the repaired LED for 30 seconds under normal operation and then reassemble the case, confirming full remote function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.